Revival Church, a place of no limits, where God is not limited, where all things are possible, the arena of life, wealth, miracles, signs and wonders.
The Lord is calling us. We are being extended from 2025. What is that? Ministry miracles. Be a wonder in your generation. Sule kubantu magaliso. God tofuna ukuba magaliso. Iti Bible osakaria no English asele ambi. Akayeka ukuyikhono letwenayo. Before tina mshatu ngaye ukuyikhono. Letweisume napho no English alikatilia. Lobuka tika uthandasa. Ungathi uthandasa uphelele ufike. When we force, we trained in the spirit. Even more than what it was, man. I'm so introduce my was. We are working at the discovery. Simply introduce the money. Sit to where I got to 14 after this night, we're gonna just open force in your generation.